Hi, Tyler. Bob Marshall with Galco.
Great to meet you,
Pleasure
Bob.
to meet you. Welcome to Automate. Today we have Tyler from WAGO, and we're going to talk about our WAGO terminal block position. So I'll open it up to you, Tyler, but first why don't you introduce yourself and tell us what you do for WAGO and how long you've been working with them.
Yeah, Tyler Shar. I've been with WAGO about 4 years here. Previous to that, I was in the building automation world. For WAGO US, I'm the product manager of North America for terminal blocks, cabinet connection technology, and our smart data software solutions. WAGO's been a pioneer of screwless connection technology for over 50 years. At this show here, we're featuring our TOPJOB S product line, which features either a lever connection, push button style, or what we call open tool slot. So lots of different variations of terminal blocks that we're featuring here, and then different function terminal blocks as well, from pluggable circuit breakers, automotive fuse style, class fuse, pluggable harness systems as well, and then our power distribution blocks have been a big
Do I have to
factor.
ferrule these?
You do not have to ferrule, but any wire that you do ferrule will push right into any style of terminal block. So you have that flexibility to kind of mix and match if you want to just use levers for the field terminations, but the internal connections could be either the push button or open tool slot style.
And how many amps can I go up to on a terminal block assembly?
Yeah, we have a lot of different ranges here, starting our TOPJOB S line at about a 10 amp connection in the smallest size or the thinnest rail space, up to 4 amps or 4 gauge at 70 amps or 85 amps in the 2016 series. So
Great.
Full different range components that integrate across all those sizes, so you don't have to worry about having kind of mixing and matching that. So a full system that complements the terminal blocks, not just the connection side of it. But
Tell me a little bit about marking and identification. How
yes,
does that,
WAGO has what we call Smart Designer and Smart Script that you can do terminal block marking in. We're a pioneer of the multi-line marking system where you can get very clear, detailed information on there, really easy to install, but we can also do the chiclet style tags as well. But that smart printer system can do wire marking as well, cabinet, panel marking, all different variations and stuff. Very versatile system, but all free software that we do a lot of training for, and great show for it here today.
and jumpers, accessories, end stops, all easy to pick out on the TOPJOB.
Yep, and TOPJOB lineup, that's the one thing that we use our Smart Designer software quite a bit for, is identifying what end plates, jumpers you want to use, figuring out what span you need to do, and how to maximize your space in the enclosure.
All right, great.
Thank you, Bob. Thanks for stopping by.